1. What is the meaning of Satyamev Jayate? A. Truth alone triumphs. B. Justice for all. C. Peace and harmony. D. Non-violence. Answer. A. Truth alone triumphs. 2. What is the capital of Myanmar? A. Yangon. B. Mandalay. C. Naypyidaw. D. Bagan. Answer. C. Naypyidaw. 3. Which Mughal emperor built the peacock throne? A. Shah Jahan. B. Akbar. C. Aurangzeb. D. Jahangir. Answer. A. Shah Jahan. 4. What does the term Green Revolution refer to? A. Industrial growth. B. Agricultural development. C. Space exploration. D. Environmental conservation. Answer. B. Agricultural development. 5. Which country is the birthplace of the Olympic Games? A. Greece. B. Italy. C. France. D. Egypt. Answer. A. Greece. 6. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese sushi? A. Rice. B. Noodles. C. Tofu. D. Seaweed. Answer. A. Rice. 7. In which city is the famous Christ the Redeemer statue located? A. Rio de Janeiro. B. Buenos Aires. C. Lima. D. Santiago. Answer. A. Rio de Janeiro. 8. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A. Crow. B. Parrot. C. Sparrow. D. Pigeon. Answer. B. Parrot. 9. Which city is home to the famous Taj Mahal? A. Agra. B. New Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Jaipur. Answer. A. Agra. 10. Which company is known for making the iPhone? A. Microsoft. B. Google. C. Apple. D. Samsung. Answer. C. Apple. 11. What is the largest organelle in a eukaryotic cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Nucleus. C. Ribosome. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. B. Nucleus. 12. What is the primary gas found in the atmosphere of Venus? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide. 13. What is the name of the boundary between India and Pakistan? A. Radcliffe Line. B. Durand Line. C. McMahon Line. D. Maginot Line. Answer. A. Radcliffe Line. 14. Which planet is known as the evening star? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Mercury. Answer. B. Venus. 15. Which sport is associated with the Wimbledon Championship? A. Cricket. B. Tennis. C. Football. D. Badminton. Answer. B. Tennis. 16. Which is the first animal to be domesticated by humans? A. Dog. B. Sheep. C. Goat. D. Cow. Answer. A. Dog. 17. What is the name of India's Mars orbiter mission? A. Chandrayaan-1. B. Mangalyaan. C. Astrosat. D. RISAT-1. Answer. B. Mangalyaan. 18. Which element is essential for the production of nuclear energy? A. Uranium. B. Iron. C. Copper. D. Zinc. Answer. A. Uranium. 19. What is the study of the universe called? A. Astrology. B. Cosmology. C. Geology. D. Meteorology. Answer. B. Cosmology. 20. What is the national game of India? A. Cricket. B. Hockey. C. Football. D. Kabaddi. Answer. B. Hockey. 21. Which layer of the earth is made up of solid iron and nickel? A. outer core, B. inner core, C. mantle, D. crust. Answer, B. inner core. 22. What is the primary function of white blood cells? A. Carry oxygen. B. Fight infections. C. Produce hormones. D. Maintain blood pressure. Answer, B. Fight infections. 23. Which is the largest river island in the world? A. Majuli. B. Srirangam. C. Bhavani Island. D. Devar Island. Answer, A. Majuli. 24. Who is the author of the book, A Passage to India? A. E. M. Foster. B. Salman Rushdie. C. R. K. Narayan. D. Arundhati Roy. Answer, A. E. M. Foster. 25. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? A. Bahadur Shah II. B. Aurangzeb. C. Akbar II. D. Shah Alam. Answer, A. Bahadur Shah II.